Christa is reading a book given by Ati Alex, Kuya Evan, and Emmett. Emmett. Okay, let's see if she can read the whole book.
There is a bird on your head.
Good. Next page, please.
Lot of birds.
Oh, there's a lot of birds.
There's a lot of birds.
Okay.
There is a bird on your head.
Good.
See, there's one bird.
On the head of who? So what's that?
And the elephant.
And what's his name?
And his name is... There's a poop.
What's that? That's not a poop. Is it? Oh, maybe. Oh, next page.
Okay.
No. Next page.
Okay.
Okay.
Piggy.
Oh, he shouted because he felt there's something landed on his head. What is it?
A bird.
A bird. And Piggy was surprised. Next page. Oh, read.
Is something on my head?
Oh, and what did Piggy say?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a bird.
Okay, next page.
Okay. There is a bird on your head.
Oh.
There is a bird on my head.
No, this question mark. How do you end it?
On my head.
Head? Like that. Head? Well, next. And good. Next page.
A,
G, and H, and just ah. Next page, Anako.
G, H.
Good.
There's letters.
He shouted, ah. Next.
There's no more bird in his head.
Next.
Let's go away. There's bird on my head. There.
Head.
No.
Now. What did Piggy said?
No, he had no bird.
Good.
The bird has he's smiling
The
now
bird left.
because he smiled.
Okay, next page.
He smiled and this one is because he's bad.
He's frowning.
Because he's smiling.
Next.
And Piggy's sad.
All right.
Look at this.
Next page there. Okay. And what did Piggy say?
Piggy says, no.
Now.
Tree.
There
are two birds on your head.
Oh, two birds already? I thought it's one only.
Look.
Oh, next page. There.
They're lovebirds. What are two birds doing on my head?
No, it's a question mark, so it should be head.
There.
That's a question mark, so the word should go up. Your intonation should go up. Head. Good.
They
are
lovebirds.
No, they. Can you read it properly?
Lovebirds.
They
are lovebirds.
In love. There's no word bird there. Oh, next page.
They're lovebirds.
The next page will tell you that, but not that page. There.
There's one bird.
Okay. Oh, read that page.
Okay. The birds of my
head
and
are
in
love. Okay.
They are lovebirds.
Birds.